Hello traders, how are you? I hope you are fine. I am Murthy Pelluri. I am also a trader like you. Now we are going to discuss on intraday trading. Suppose if we select one share to trade, we are in confusion that share will go up or will go down. This is a big problem to all the traders. To overcome this problem, I myself prepared a intraday calculator. We all must say thanks to W.D. Gann's square of 9 theory. In depth in this theory, he has given some degrees which are upside movement and some degrees are downside movement. This Gann calculator I have clubbed with pivot points and designed a new calculator especially for the intraday trading and for short term positional trading. Now we will check the calculator whether how this calculator will work or not. For example, here is the today this is the current day trading 28th 12 2015. What we have to do is now I have taken here I am opening the Gann calculator, that is the Gann calculator. In this there are two calculators, one is 0 to 90 degrees especially for the intraday and the second one is 0 to 180 degrees. Now I have selected for 0 to 90 degrees intraday and now I have taken this is the current day shares in the market. First of all we have to take the example of Nifty. Nifty we have taken the last traded date, that is on 24/12/15 high low close. In this I am entering the last days, that is previous day, that is on 24/12/2015. The Nifty's high was 7888.75 and then low was 7835.50 and then close was 7861.05. Now I am calculating with this new Gann pivot trend and target calculator. I have kept it in 0 to 90 degrees. Now I have entered the high of previous day, that is on 24/12/2015, high low close of the Nifty, and I have done the calculation. Here I got some levels. In the left side of this is low to high resistance levels and right side high to low support levels. Here we have given some levels are there, 1 into 16, 1 into 8, 1 into 4, like that. Here 1 into 4 is the buy level for the intraday, that is the 15 degrees level. This is 7876.55. In the upside the movement, if you want to know, if the Nifty crosses 7876.55 level, then we have to go for the buying. Now we will see what happened in the today's market. We have taken the Nifty graph. Here I am taking the Nifty graph, that is I have kept this is 1 into 5 minutes. Already in the first 5 minutes this is the pre-close and already this is around 9:19:59 minutes. The Nifty we could able to buy it around 7880 level or something like that approximately. Here we can able to buy 7880, but our buy target is 7886. So immediately we will go for the buying of Nifty future, one lot or two lots according to our interest. So here we have taken the first target is 45 degrees T1, that is 7906, and then the after that 45 degrees 56.25 degrees 7917 and 7928. So what we have done here, we have taken the high low close and then in the right side of the above we have got the pivot point and then resistance 1, resistance 2 and resistance 3. Below pivot point we have S1, support 1, support 2 and support 3. So with resistance and support of pivot points we have to adjust the target. Here the first target is 7906, whereas second target is 7915. Whether how the Nifty has moved with it. So the Nifty has moved 7915. The spot I am talking, in the future also we can calculate in the same manner. So 7915 it has gone up to 7915. So if we able to enter at 7880 level also, here is 7915, approximately 35 points difference is there for buying and selling. If you buy at this level, you are advised to keep the stop loss at selling level of 4 into 1 7847, or if not, if that is too long, you have to keep it 7854 or 7855. Once the Nifty comes down from the 7865 level, we should wait for some more time whether it will go up or not, or we have to check it will cross this selling level. So this is one example. We could able to see how the calculator has given the buying and selling levels. And now I am clearing this. Now I would like to take one more share, that is Tata Steel is there. Today's what happened to Tata Steel, we will check it. So Tata Steel, the previous day, that is on 24/12/2015, the Tata Steel high was, now I am taking the less of in cash market, that is Tata Steel high is 2266, and then low was 260 pies, and then close was 263.35 pies. Now I am calculating. So I have calculated. Here I got the levels. The pivot level is 263.32, R1 is 266, and S1 is 260.63. The buying level is 266 and the selling level is 260.62 pies. What happened we will see. Tata Steel, so it has gone up to 264.30. The level is 264.30. It has not crossed the buying level and it has come down, and it has further come down to selling zone. It has come 262, 64, 61, 97 and 260, 62. Here we could able to sell 262, 62 pies. If we could able to sell 262, 62 pies. So here is 262, 62 pies here in this level. If we could able to sell the Tata Steel in cash market, the target is, first target is 255.27, and that above 56.25 degrees target is 253.26. At what level has reached we will see. The low of the Tata Steel today is 253.10 pies. So the first target already we have received, and then further it has moved down to 253.10 pies. From there we should come out and we should make the profit. And now I am taking one more example, that is here is Century Textiles. Century Textiles, I am taking the previous day. I am clearing the Tata Steel, and previous day's high was 602 and then 50 pies, and then low is 580.20 and close was 600. Now I am calculating what result will come, we will see. The buying level is here 598.30 and selling level is 590.18 paise. We will see what happened to Century Textiles. Yeah, here is, so the buying level is 598 around, and it was open around 603. We could able to get this 603. So 603 means here already it has reached 33.75 degrees, and then we should wait for the 606 target, and the second target from there it will move up to 609 or 59. We will check it. Here the pivot point level is 608.27. So better we will see whether how far it has reached. 609.50. From 603 it has moved up to 609.50 paise. And what we have to do is we should correlate if the price is going up, we correlate the targets with these levels. For example, after 45 degrees and 56.25 degrees, here R1 level is 608.27. So we have to enter around 600 because 598 is the buying level, and we could able to catch the share at 603 level, and we should come out at 608 level. So we could able to make 5 rupees profit on this. Again, what happened? From there the share has come down. After touching it, the target of R1, the share is slowly coming down, and once the share is coming down, we should not again enter. So we should not, because there is we don't know whether it will go up again or it will go down. So from 608 level it has come down to slowly 598 level where it has started, and then it has come to, we will see the lower level also. It has come to 593.85. 593.85. 593.85. Here it has come to just selling zone in the first level, that is 3.75 degrees. So once we could able to make the money, and we should not go for the sell. We have to wait for some more time, or we should not trade for this day the Century Textiles. So how the calculator has worked us for, we have seen practically, because we have taken for the 90 degrees 0 to 90 degrees is especially for the intraday trade only, and up to 1025 or 1300 also we can enter the prices. But if we enter the high price about 1200 or something like that, the maximum percentage will growth will be, or the percentage of down will be around 2 to 2.5% only. So if we could able to enter below 1025 shares, this is the best suited calculator. And then here is one more thing is 0 to 180 degrees for the high shares like 1025 and above, and we have to choose this one. And this is also for the intraday and for the short term positional trade also. What we have to do is we should not enter the current prices. We should enter only the previous day data, that is high, low, close. So that what we will get, suppose if we want to trade a big share, we have to enter the previous day's high, low, close. If we want to enter the last week, if we want to go for a weekly trade, we have to enter the week high, low, and on that week close. Then we could able to know the levels of that next week where we have to enter or where we have to sell for buying or selling. This is about 180 degrees calculator. So I am Murthy Pelluri. If anybody wants this calculator, please contact me. This price is 1000 rupees only. Both the calculators 0 to 90 degrees and 0 to 180 degrees. The phone number is 8099 191 and my mail ID is murthypelluri@gmail.com. So wish you all the best for the 2016 and many more profits and good trading in the coming year. Thank you.